Pumpkin seeds, those small, flat, oval seeds found inside pumpkins, have been enjoyed for centuries, not just for their satisfying crunch and nutty flavor, but for their impressive health benefits. Eating pumpkin seeds daily can make a remarkable difference in your overall well-being, providing essential nutrients, supporting your body's systems, and helping you maintain a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Let's explore why incorporating a handful of pumpkin seeds into your daily routine is one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take for your health. First and foremost, pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with protein, healthy fats, and a wide array of vitamins and minerals. Just a small serving, about a quarter cup, offers a generous dose of protein, making them an excellent plant-based option for those looking to support muscle growth and repair. Unlike some other snacks that are high in empty calories, pumpkin seeds provide lasting energy that can help you power through your day. One of the standout features of pumpkin seeds is their high content of magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It supports muscle and nerve function, helps regulate blood pressure, and plays a key role in bone health. Many people do not get enough magnesium in their diets, but just a handful of pumpkin seeds can help you meet a significant portion of your daily needs. This can translate to better sleep, improved mood, and reduced muscle cramps, especially for those with active lifestyles. Zinc is another critical mineral found abundantly in pumpkin seeds. Zinc is well known for its role in supporting the immune system, aiding wound healing, and promoting healthy skin. In today's world, where maintaining robust immunity is more important than ever, eating pumpkin seeds daily can offer your body that extra defense against illness and infection. For men, zinc is particularly vital as it supports prostate health and reproductive function. Beyond magnesium and zinc, pumpkin seeds are also a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin E and carotenoids. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. The anti-inflammatory properties of these seeds can also help reduce inflammation throughout the body, benefiting those with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. For heart health, pumpkin seeds shine as well. They contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which support healthy cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of these seeds has been linked to lower LDL, or bad, cholesterol, and increased HDL, or good cholesterol. The presence of phytosterols, a plant compound naturally found in pumpkin seeds, further helps maintain cardiovascular health by blocking the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. Pumpkin seeds also support digestive health. They are a good source of dietary fiber, especially if you eat them with their shells. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A diet rich in fiber can help lower the risk of digestive disorders, keep you feeling full longer, and even aid in weight management by curbing unnecessary snacking. Blood sugar management is another area where pumpkin seeds offer significant benefits. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats helps slow the absorption of glucose, making pumpkin seeds a smart snack for people with diabetes or those trying to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. For those concerned about bone health, pumpkin seeds are a natural source of phosphorus, an essential mineral for strong bones and teeth. Alongside magnesium, phosphorus ensures your skeletal system remains robust, particularly important as you age. Additionally, pumpkin seeds contain small amounts of calcium and potassium, further supporting bone density and muscle function. But the benefits don't end there. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Serotonin is then converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Consuming pumpkin seeds in the evening may help promote restful sleep and improve mood, making them a natural aid for those struggling with insomnia or anxiety. Men's health, in particular, is supported by pumpkin seeds. Studies have shown that the phytochemicals in pumpkin seeds can help maintain prostate health, reducing the risk and severity of benign prostatic hyperplasia. a common condition as men age. The combination of zinc, phytosterols, and antioxidants makes pumpkin seeds an excellent daily addition for men looking to protect their reproductive and urinary health. Women also benefit from the regular consumption of pumpkin seeds. The rich mineral content supports hormonal balance, particularly during menopause, when magnesium and zinc needs may increase. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can provide relief from symptoms and support overall well-being during times of hormonal change. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Sprinkle them over salads, add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them on their own as a convenient snack. Their mild, nutty flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, and they can even be used as a crunchy topping for soups and baked goods. It's important to choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted pumpkin seeds to maximize their health benefits. Avoid seeds with added oils, salt, or sugar, as these can negate some of the positive effects. Store your pumpkin seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to keep them fresh and prevent the healthy fats from becoming rancid. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine is a small change that can yield significant health rewards. Their dense nutrient profile, combined with their convenience and delicious taste, makes them an ideal snack or meal addition. Whether you are looking to boost your heart health, support your immune system, improve your sleep, or simply add more minerals and antioxidants to your diet, pumpkin seeds offer a natural solution backed by science and tradition. The next time you're reaching for a snack, consider grabbing a handful of pumpkin seeds. Their impact on your health is far greater than their size suggests. By making this simple addition to your daily routine, you're investing in your body's strength, resilience, and longevity, one delicious bite at a time.